Hello there, I'm Ryan Mark. This is Showbiz Remark Up Close, another special edition. This time we're joined by six winners from Cebu Ultimate Catwalk Superstar. Let's start with
Hi everyone, I am Yashamay B. Monsanto, your Miss Teen category Cebu Ultimate Catwalk Superstar, second runner-up representing Consolacion.
Yesha, and then
Hello everyone, my name is Rafaela Cara Loses Cabalda, 10 years of age, and I am your Miss Heritage 2025 and Cebu Ultimate Catwalk Superstar.
Good day everyone, this is Liza Lorraine Bilungtat. I am 12 years old, your Cebu Ultimate Catwalk Superstar, fourth runner-up.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Shamsi Berquacher Jopia, 14 years old, your Cebu Ultimate Catwalk Superstar Grand Winner, all the way from the city of Naga.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Alexandra M. Almaria and I am 13 years of age and I am your Cebu Ultimate Catwalk Superstar 2025 second runner-up.
Good afternoon everyone, I am Kiara Mikhaili Bacaltas, 11 years of age, and I am your Cebu Ultimate Catwalk Superstar Grand Winner.
Kiara. You look like Latina, Puerto Rican, Brazilian. You have foreign blood?
No, I am pure Filipino.
Okay. And then Shamsi. Were you named Shamsi because of Shamsi Soup Soup?
I feel like partially that was the reason why my name is Shamsi.
Do you know
Because
her?
yeah, she is the second runner-up of Miss Universe during 2011, I
She was
believe.
my batchmate in Binibining Pilipinas.
Oh wow!
No, okay. So Shamsi, you have a feeling that partly that's the reason why.
Yes.
Your mother is into beauty pageants also.
I don't know, but from what I know, my father gave me the name of Shamsi, and I didn't really know what's the reason behind it. But partially, I think it's because of Shamsi Sup Sup. She won on my birth year, which was 2011, and I was born in 2011 as well.
That's why. Ato ni silang gigrupo because your competition will still be next year.
Yes.
National competition, international competition. National competition. All six of you will compete.
Some of us are international.
Okay, so who will be competing international? Tiara, Shamsi, and Yesha. Okay, so is there a date already next year?
There's no given date already, as it's just we're still open for pageants that will really suit us. So we're
You will
still
choose.
looking. Yeah.
You'll pick
Yes.
the pageant.
Yes.
Okay, Shamsi, because you have a beauty queen namesake, at what age did you realize that you want to be a beauty queen?
Actually, when I first started my beauty queen journey, it was when I was 11 or 12. I feel like it was 11. Way before, being a beauty queen wasn't really on my radar, but it was on my mind, and it was also something I want to become. But it was never really on my radar that one day I will become a beauty queen. When I first joined my pageant, it was really sudden because my mom just told me to join a pageant which was called Little Miss Cebu, and I was appointed as the second runner up, and since then that's where my beauty queen journey started.
How tall are you?
I stand 5'5". Yeah, I stand 5'5".
5'5".
Yeah.
At how young are you?
I'm still 14 years old.
Wow, 5'5" at 14 years old.
Yes.
We have the same height. But I'm already 30 years old. Oh my gosh. Okay, you won Miss Charity,
Miss Heritage.
Miss Heritage. Okay, so your competition will still be
Next year.
next year also. National competition?
No, yeah, national.
Who's your favorite beauty queen? Because your face is that of a beauty queen. You have a beauty queen aura.
I don't really have like a favorite beauty queen because I don't like watching beauty queens.
You research about Ryan Mark. You're not into beauty queens? But why are you here? Why did you join the Cebu Ultimate Catwalk Superstar?
I just like my mom just told me to join. I just tried the what is that called again? The screening. So I think I will not pass. But when I look at the list, I really passed. So I'm shocked.
Oh, so maybe you're destined to be a beauty queen because you won eventually. You won Miss Heritage.
Yeah, I think so.
What are your interests? What are your hobbies? What do you do when you have spare time?
I will do like dancing or singing
Oh, so you
sometimes.
sing?
Not really.
No, you said you sing. I'll
Not
do
really.
singing and dancing. Sample. No,
I have a
sample.
bad voice right now.
It's okay. Just pretend that it's just the seven of us here.
No, I don't like
Okay.
to sing.
Yesha. Yesha is 17 years old, right?
Yes.
And you mentioned that you joined a relief efforts for the quake
Yes.
victims. Tell us about it.
The story was actually my cousin sent me a link to register for a volunteer, and that's when I realized now, yeah, I should also volunteer because what will I do here in the house if the victims in the northern part are suffering? So yeah, then I joined, and then I there are a lot of operations in Operation One here in Brightech, Operation Two in Capitol, and then I was assigned on the Brightech, and then there we are repacking goods, and then we are also contacting the victims in the northern part to ask for their urgent needs. And then I was so happy about that, and also it gives me a fulfilling to also help the victims.
Okay. You're still in senior high.
Yes, I'm from the University of San Carlos.
Okay. So what will you take up in college?
I am planning to take medicine, particularly, hopefully, biology.
Wow. What is your talent?
I'm not really good in talent, but I'm really also want to sing, but I'm not good at singing.
Ah, both of you should have a duet now. You rehearse, okay? You rehearse. What's your name again?
Liza.
What's your bloodline? You look like Chinese or Thai.
I'm pure Filipina.
You're Filipina.
Yes.
Liza, was this your first pageant?
Yes.
Why did you join?
Be-
Because she was forced by her mom. And you?
my
Where's
mom.
your mom? Where's your mom? No, yours. Your mom. Oh, and your mom. You were not forced to join this
Yes.
pageant. This was you really
Yes.
wanting. Why?
One day my mom told me about Cebu Ultimate Catwalk, and then she said if I want to join, and then I said that, oh, I really want to join because I love modeling.
Mm. And then, do you see yourself joining more pageants in the future?
Yes.
You're really into pageants.
Half.
Who's your favorite beauty queen?
Catriona Gray.
Catriona Gray. Why?
Because Catriona Gray is not only a beauty queen, she is also a caring and loving person.
Okay, you're what grade?
Grade 7.
What will you take up in college? That's still
Um,
far away, no? Grade 7 is like first year? 13. How old are you?
12. I'm turning 13 this December.
Yeah. So what will you take up in college?
I think flight attendant,
So that would be like airline management or tourism? The course. What course?
tourism.
Tourism. Okay. Let's have yeah. What are your interests? What are your hobbies?
My hobbies is playing instruments and studying in my free time and listening to music.
You don't sing, you just play. Mm. Tell me three words that best describe yourself.
Commit, committed, resilient, and passionate.
Passionate. What are you most passionate about?
I am passionate about pursuing my dream job, which is to become a doctor, so that I can have a contribution to the medical industry in the Philippines.
Wow. So you will not go abroad. You'll just work in the Philippines when you're already a doctor.
It depends.
Okay, it depends. Okay, let's pretend this is a pageant. So we'll have Q&A. Okay. Yesha. What's your name? Rafaela. Why were you named Rafaela?
I didn't even know.
Why? It's like Angel Raphael. No, Guardian Angel Raphael. Okay. Yesha, Rafaela, Liza, Shamsi, Alexa, and Kiara. Congratulations, you're part of the top 6. Now your question. Let's start with Yesha. What are you most proud of being a Cebuana?
Thank you. What I am most proud of as being a Cebuana is our us. Us Cebuana who is very caring, who is very passionate about our dreams, and that I also proud also to be a Consolacionanon, that I'm able to step out of my comfort zone. I'm able to showcase my talent, and that is what I'm most proud of.
Thank you so much, candidate number 1. Let's have candidate number 2, Rafaela. The one who was forced by her mom to join Cebu Catwalk Ultimate Catwalk Superstar. Your question is, if you could fly, where would you go and why?
If I could fly over the world, I would choose over here in Cebu, Boracay, because I really want to go there and I want to see the views and, and Boracay, the world rather.
Okay, now let's have Liza. Liza, what can't you live without?
I can't live without my mom because my mom because my mom is very important to me. And then she is a single mother. That's why I can't live without her.
Thank you so much, Liza. Let's have Shamsi, not Soup. What's your family name? Jopia. That's from where? Jopia. But you are from Millennialia? Naga. Naga. Okay. Your question. Who is your hero?
For me, a hero, my hero isn't seen physically, but he is from above, and that is God. My number one hero, I would say it would be God, because he's the one who is guiding me all times. He is my refuge, and I seek strength within him. So, if you were to ask me who is my greatest hero, I say it would be God.
Thank you so much, Shamsi. Now let's have. What's your name, Gani? Alexa. Alex. Alex. It's a masculine name.
Alexandra.
Alexandra. Oh, that's from Alex and the Dra. What's your mother's name?
Marisol.
Why were you named Alexandra?
Because like my dad is named Alejandro.
Okay, your question, Dr. Alexandra. Okay, you claim it. Manifestation. Okay, your question. How can we solve corruption in government?
Um, I think I'm too young for that question.
Okay, just no. Let's change the question. What's the best lesson that you've learned from your parents and why?
The best lesson that I have learned from my parents is that to always be respectful, because this trait is this will be shaping me for my whole entire life into becoming a good person, and I believe that this is very important throughout the rest of my life.
Thank you so much. Finally, Kiara. You're from where?
I'm from I'm originally from Bohol, but I was raised in Cebu.
Where? In Cebu?
Alisay.
Talisay. Oh, hapit ng fiesta. No? October 14. Lechon Festival.
It's actually called Halad Inasal.
Halad Lechon Festival. Halad Festival.
Halad Inasal Festival.
Halad Inasal Festival. You really know your, your Sam. You're a good asset of Talisay because you really know the name of your festival. But the question is, which is the best lechon in Cebu? Talisay or Karkar?
Actually, in my culture, Talisay, in Cebu, all of the lechon tastes good, but Talisay is much more better because it's mixed of love.
That was just the trial question. No, I like your beauty. You're so Latina.
Thank you.
Your mother is into beauty pageant also?
No,
What did you join?
I joined because I'm passionate of it. Yes.
Okay. How do you, this is your question now. Final question. What would you do if you are a victim of bullying in school?
I would just not listen to that. Kasi,
Bullies.
yeah, bullies. I would just deadma them because I know that they're not part of my life, but it's much more important to not hear criticisms from them. But I am thankful for bullying because I'm growing from them, and I know that they know that I'm not enough, but I know from myself I am better than enough.
You already experienced bullying in
Yes.
school?
Yes.
What did you do?
Just deadma them and
What was the bullying
um
like?
it's heartbreaking.
Okay. Okay. Okay, thank you so much. And the winner is, there are six of you. None of you is the winner because the winner is here. No, just kidding. Okay, invite them to support you in your upcoming pageants. Shamsi.
I invite you all to watch the six of us in our upcoming journey and to support us with your entire love and support. And please watch us soon as we rise on the international and national stage.
Liza, your message to those who want to be like you.
My message to them is just believe in yourself and always pray to God.
Okay, bashers. Your message to bashers. Yesha, you're the ate here. You're 17.
the oldest among all the candidates.
You're 17. You are 10, 12, 14, 13, 11. So you're the ate. What's your message to bashers?
Just do what you want because as beauty queens, we know what we want. We know that we are strong enough and that
What do you really want? What do you really want? Because you said we beauty queens know what we want. What is it that you really want?
we want to focus on what we want to bring ourselves to others, like our purpose in showing ourselves to others.
What's your advocacy?
My advocacy is actually environmental sustainability.
So what do you intend to do with your advocacy?
With my advocacy environmental sustainability, I intend to follow, like for example, the 12 Sustainable Development Goals, like the interconnectedness with the nature.
Okay, thank you very much. I'm Ryan Mark. I had fun. I hope the feeling is mutual. Did you enjoy it? Kiara, Shamsi, Alexa, Alexandra, Liza, Yesha, and Rafaela. That's my favorite name because okay lang. Thank you so much for watching the Showbiz Remark. Up close. Bye.